Otter.ai versus Rev. So let's talk about Otter.ai. Otter.ai is an AI-powered real-time transcription tool optimized for meetings, interviews, lectures, and many more. It has speaker identification, live captioning, searchable transcripts, and summary features. Now let's talk about Rev. Rev offers both automated AI transcriptions and human transcriptions via real people. The human service is its standout for very high accuracy, especially for complex or important audios. So let's talk about their pros and cons. So Otter, for the pros, is very good for live meeting transcriptions like Zoom Teams and Google Meet with real-time results. It also allows speakers identifications and even has a free plan available for usage. Now the cons is though, it has accuracy which is lower than human transcriptions. It struggles more with heavy and accents technical jargon or noisy recordings. It also has some user reports reliability issues and high sensitive or legally criticized transcripts. Now let's talk about Rev's pros. Now Rev offers human transcriptions, which is extremely high accurate and flexible service model. They also is good for use cases beyond meetings like media production, legal and interview subtitling, and even has a strong support and interface for editing. Now the cons is though, it has less accuracy and it costs more because there are human. And it has a turnaround time as well, which means it could take hours to days depending on the length. And for the AI transcriptions, it has a faster but you still have to correct more errors than with human-driven transcriptions as well. So in overall conclusion, use other AI if you need the real-time transcriptions and good with good enough accuracy and you don't need to practice and perfect your transcripts. Now choose Rev though if you want accurate or critical, legal, media and academic or formal recordings, and if you don't mind paying more and waiting for human transcriptions. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.